Hey everybody, I'm back with another video. Today I'll be giving these kitchen cabinets in this townhome I leased a facelift with wood texture contact paper I purchased off Amazon. And here is how it turned out. If you want to know what I did to achieve the look of brand new cabinets, then keep on watching. The tools I used were an X-Acto knife, a blow dryer, a measuring tape, a pencil, and a drill to remove all the hinges. And here is a panoramic view of the whole kitchen. I'm no longer in this home. I moved out in November of 2023 and I only stayed 12 months. And I removed the contact paper before I left, and comment down below if you want to see how I removed it. The contact paper I used was by OxDG Cream White Wood Texture, Self-Adhesive, Oil and Waterproof, Thick, Durable and Removable. That's ideal for any upgrade, like countertops, appliances, tables, desks, and even doors, and it easily wipes clean with a damp cloth. I'll have a link in the description below. And here I started off by removing the doors and giving them a good wipe down with a bottle of Totally Awesome and scraped away loose wood with a paint scraper. Here I thought it would be easier to measure all my measurements and cut most of my contact paper. And in this kitchen, some doors were of a different size. And in the next clip, I'll show you the difference between two different contact papers. The first one was from the dollar store, which I love, but decided to go with the thicker one from Amazon, which I also love. You'll probably see me using the dollar store one in another project. It was a lot thinner than the other brand, but much easier to work with. And in my opinion, could get the job done. See how easy it is to lift and move around like butter. But this contact paper from Amazon did not come to play. It's certainly strong and durable like they advertised. And the thick wood grain is so beautiful, and I'm sure long lasting. Here's where it starts to get tedious. You want to be sure to place your strip pieces right up against the panels and the side rails. And like I stated, this contact paper was harder to work with. When placing the strip pieces on the side rails, it wanted to do its own thing. It wasn't as flexible as the cheaper brand from the dollar store, but warming it up some with the blow dryer softened it so it could move a little better. Also, if you notice, these doors have some detail. However, it would be so much easier if they were only panels and no rails. And here's the outcome. I won't lie and say it was easy, but doing something for the first time can be hard. I can say that I was completely satisfied. Bringing something to life to my liking felt good, and the maintenance with keeping it clean was easy. Plus, during the duration, this contact paper stayed in place until I was ready to take it down. So please like, share, and subscribe.